Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As the title suggests, guys, you guys see the title, and yes, that's what's going on. You are happy, everybody else is happy except me. All right. It's rough, to be honest. It is rough, and I don't know. I'm extremely emotional since, but I did not expect this. I did not expect none of this because I wasn't prepared and I wasn't ready. So yeah, I wanted to share it with you guys. Not saying that you guys need to know everything, but it's not, people in general, we're not always happy about certain stuff. We get we get there where we feel where everything is welcoming, and we accept certain stuff, but everybody else is happy except me. Why? I'm not excited like everybody else, um I don't know. I'm just not excited. I am not, you know. Everybody be like, my friend, she's talking about, hey girl, you gonna do this, and I'm like, you know, it's just that I am in my second trimester now, guys. I'm out of my first, I'm in my second. I'm not feeling sick no more. I'm just tired, and sometimes I have shortness of breath, but especially when I talk a lot or go upstairs. But it's hard for me emotionally. It's very hard. Like everybody else is just happy. Why am I not happy? So you guys might feel like I am happy. Trust me, at this moment now, I am learning, to be happy. I'm not gonna say I'm learning to accept, because I did not do something. I don't believe in certain stuff, so therefore that's why I'm gonna have 4 kids, but Kushane is excited. I am not. Is it normal? I want to ask somebody. When you were pregnant, is it takes you some time, some weeks, some months to accept or to feel happy? I don't want to use the word accept. Why I keep saying it, you know? Did it take you some weeks, months to start, enjoying or feel happy about your pregnancy? Because I am just growing. I am just feeling happy about it. And it's not, I don't want nobody to think it's nothing has to do with nothing. It's just that I'm expanding my business and I have so much going on. In the time I was moving, we have to be doing this, and I'm super, all around the place. First of all, I don't have no family here, guys. And I only have one friend, close by. I don't believe in leaving my kids with people. I don't ask people to watch them. I just don't go out because you have kids, certain stuff have to just stop. And then I have my business, which I am revamping, in which it's expanding, it's getting bigger, it's gonna get bigger, and I have so much coming. And I'm like, oh no, 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 me can't, this can't right. It's just like it licked me. I said, no, I'm not pregnant. Like, first of all, this is even the easy part. But when baby comes, 2 years, we'll probably have to sit down or more, because I am not the parent to leave my kids. You guys supposed to know that already. First of all, I don't trust people, and I'm not the parent to leave my kids. That's just me. We all gonna stay home. And it's really sad because everybody else is happy except me. And I keep saying that. Why am I not happy? But I know it's because I don't want nobody to get me wrong, Do not get me wrong and do not judge, okay? I know it's because I have so much going on and I have so much coming on where I have to be prepared. I have to be there. I have to brace myself. And I have to know that, listen, we're going to come with full force and we're going to take on certain stuff. But that is the main reason, in the time when I'm looking to expand. But you know what? They say the Lord don't give you more than what you can bear. Another thing is, guys, every time I have my kids, my pressure go up for a couple of weeks, yes. And then I have to start monitoring it. I have to start monitoring it. Like, since I'm pregnant now, let me tell you something. I went to the doctor a couple of days ago, and since I'm pregnant, I don't have, my pressure is not high, not once I go to the doctor. And the last time I was there, I looked up and I said, thank you, Jesus. Like, because I expect at least one little spike, and I was like, thank you, Jesus. And I keep saying that. And when I was saying that, I started crying. And I was like, because this is one of the main reasons I was scared to get pregnant. Because I'm scared my pressure would go up. And nobody in my family don't have pressure. So I don't know why me keep on I tell myself, say me have pressure. It's just like, I think I overthink too much. I don't even think it's a salty food. Because I've been craving salt since being pregnant. And I looked up and I said, thank you, Jesus. And I started crying. I think I have the clipping in my phone. And, I'm just ready. I'm ready. Like, yeah, I am ready to take on this journey because now I am more comfortable. I have, we all have that in ourselves where I am ready to say, listen, after this baby, I'm going to get me a personal trainer. I'm going to be ready mentally, physically, everything. I'm going to get my life on track. I promise you guys, I'm going to try, I'm going to pray about it because we have to pray about everything. And I'm going to try. I'm going to, we're going to beat this. We are going to beat this. I'm going to be in control of my life. That is how I feel. So I am excited now and I'm ready. And then I am ready. I don't know. My husband is excited because he wants a son. I hope he gets what he wants because I'm not going back. I can assure you that. I don't have no problem to have 4 girls, but I'm not going back. But Christine, I hope the Lord bless you with a son so you can get your son. Otherwise, I don't know, but I'm not going back. I want to ask you guys, I don't want no more kids. I just can't do it. I have to focus on business. I have to focus on the future for my other kids. I just can't do it. I don't want to be too old and my kids are still young. So I think about, so I know it's not wrong because I'm going to have 4 kids now. Why would I want more? It's not one or none. I am going to have 4. So I'm just learning to accept this. I'm just learning to accept it. I don't know. I just wanted to, hear what you guys have to say about that. If you have anything to say, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I want, probably some advice to cheer up my mood. And, tell me if you guys, did you accept your pregnancy the first time you find out? I know first time mothers probably be like, yes. But I'm talking about persons who weren't prepared, who weren't prepared and who weren't, looking forward for that. How did you feel? Or persons who have 2 or more kids, how did you feel when you found out you were pregnant with your 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, whatever it is? How did you feel? How did you manage? Were you excited? Because I was not. And I know I'm not the only person who travel with that or feel that way. I just know. And yeah, but I'm learning to be happy. I'm learning to be like, because you guys be like, Chrissy, you are glowing, sis. So I'm like, okay. I hope this boy is making me glow. Even though, you know what? I am nervous. But whatever it is, it's going to be my final. Yes. So I just hope Cushy and get what he want. I keep saying that. I hope he's satisfied or whatever, but it's not a thing where, oh, yeah, 2 3 years. Kara's gonna be what, 5? Kara's 5 or 6. Well, it's whatever, but we're not gonna go back there, sis. We're not going back down that road. We're gonna focus on the business, and like I said, I am happy now. I feel a little. When I went to the doctor, she was like, do you feel movement? I was like, yeah, no. But my belly I feel stiffness. And then the other night, I feel one little move. But me I say maybe I worm them. I don't know if I was overthinking or whatever. But yes, we are on the journey of our second trimester. And we're not feeling sick no more. Aunties and uncles, we're not sick no more. With the godmothers them there, godfathers, we're not sick no more. So yeah, I'm happy now. I'm happy now. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't even know my husband. I don't think if he knows that. I don't talk to him about this, so he has no idea how I was feeling. More than when he touch my belly. Oh, we just kind of feel away because I'm like, you're the only one who is excited, not me and you. So I don't think he have any idea. But he's gonna find out like you guys. Yeah, I wanted to just share that with you guys. Tell me your thoughts. Tell me if it's normal, because I think it is. And I feel good now. So far my health is okay. I'm blessed. I'm thankful. I'm just 10 times 10 more miserable, in which that can be something that would turn you on. So we ain't even worried about that, because at least Christian knows I'm miserable from birth. So guess what? He gonna live with that. He gonna have to live with that. Okay. All right, so that is a wrap, and I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, my business page, which is WatchCrissyWork, and my personal page, which is real_Chrissy. Also on Facebook. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, WatchCrissyWork. Make sure you subscribe. What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Subscribe. Hit that bell. Turn your post notification on. I'm going to give you guys all the pregnancy updates. Whatever I'm doing, I'm going to turn this channel up. Okay? I see you guys supporting, so I'm going to give you what you want. The next video is definitely a Q&A. Ask me anything about my pregnancy. That's it. And then we're gonna do that next, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for always sharing whatever you're thinking. Thank you for telling somebody about me or us, the Carter family. Thank you guys. We appreciate you, and thank you for believing in us. Until my next upload, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and always remember, God is love. Bye.